An advanced Christmas celebration 2021 was organized by the Bhoi Police at the Bhoi Police Reserve in Nongpoh on the 15th of December. A music video entitled Emmanuel was also released on the occasion. The Deputy Commissioner of Bhoi District, R.M. KURBAH, graced the occasion as chief guest, while others present included the Superintendent of Police Bhoi District, SYRTI, police officials, children of the Bhoi Presbyterian SYNOD Children's Home, children of the Government Boys and Government Girls Children's Home, and other invitees. Towards the end of the day, the crowd sang along and danced to the music performed by the AHAVA band. The DC of Bhoi District, R.M. KURBAH, while addressing the gathering, appreciated the efforts of the police force of the district who had taken time off from their busy schedule to organize an event to celebrate the birth of Christ. KURBAH also expressed her gratitude to each and every member of the force for diligently performing their duties and wished them a Christmas which will bring love, joy and peace into their hearts.
Ngayon ba kilay late kaleng menpelong ikinigi program na mga tip mo ka kamram ka jongki kalong ka bae abha bat nakatuka music video ka baki pelait mentakas ngiyo ba kakam ka jongki kalong arpusaw kanta into 7 days kim dan kata ban ongkum mangibro ngidang yo mo city handai maki kihi ka dinga service throughout mo bonsin kim yo banle ya kata ka Christmas na ni ka New Year but family ti kani ka kalong ka ika jing burom na kalyang jongiru ni really respect ya ki police but force baro ki ba dan na mata jongi ka safety ka jongiru tinga ay kublay ya pi baro ki ba organize ba nga sokmen ba haba pia dan kum kini ki activities hapo ka department kapen ya kajing ya jan kapen wanra ya kajing ya eat iway kamtam kita len baper pia don pila banya sei perthai hang ne tenga ai kublay ya pi baro kirang ba bet kilong kumi